Okay, we fill the blanks first. There are two types of discounts. Okay, there are two types of discounts. The one on the left, you write trade discount. The one on the right, you write cash discount. Okay, so even though you see the word cash in this term cash discount, it has nothing to do with cash at all. Okay, it has nothing to do with cash at all. Later, I'll tell you what it means. Okay, so these are just the names of these two types of discounts, trade discount and cash discount. Okay, so continue to write. The one on the left, trade discount, this is known as the first stage discount. First stage discount. Cash discount is known as the second stage discount. Okay, so don't write these two terms, first stage and second stage, in the exam. It's just for your own understanding, which comes first and which comes next. Trade discount would always come first in accounting, followed by cash discount. Okay, so cash discount should never come first before trade discount. Trade discount should always come first. Okay, now let's write down the reasons why these two types of discounts are given to the customer. Okay, so agree, right? Discounts are always given by supplier to the customer. Okay, now let's learn the reasons why these two types of discounts are given. Okay, first one, the trade discount. You write down. Say under the Y given, you write to encourage bulk or large quantities of purchases. Okay, to encourage bulk or large quantities of purchases. That means whenever customers buy more, then you would give this trade discount. Okay, so that trade discount, very simple and straightforward. The more customers buy, then you give them trade discount. Cash discount, on another hand, okay, write down. To encourage credit customers. Okay, so to encourage credit customers. Don't just write the word customers here. To encourage credit customers to settle debts promptly. Okay, or quite punctually. So credit customers, what does the term credit customers mean? Customers who owe us money. Okay, customers who owe us money. Why do they owe us money? Because they must have bought goods on credit from us earlier. Okay, these customers bought goods on credit from us earlier, so it makes them owe us money. If they settle the debt promptly within the agreed period, maybe you allow them to have 2 weeks time to settle the debt. If they settle within 2 weeks, then you can give them cash discount. If beyond 2 weeks, then no cash discount. Okay, so this is cash discount. When you have written, you let me know. You have written. Okay, good. Okay, so trade discount. If customers buy a lot, you give them trade discount. Cash discount, when customers who owe you money, they settle that promptly as per the agreed period, then you give them cash discount. Okay, that means we can have this conclusion. Okay, so you have a conclusion chart here on the same page. There are two types of sales as you have learned before. Sales means sell goods. Okay, it doesn't mean sell anything like anything else like NCA. Okay, sales, the single word sales is a technical term which refers to selling goods only. There are two types of sales. One is known as cash sales, I told you before. Another one is known as credit sales, which means sell goods on credit. Cash sales means sell goods and then get the money immediately from the customer. Okay, upon sending goods to them, you get the money immediately from your customer. That's cash sales. Okay, so for cash sales, the moment you have sent goods to them, you should know how much they have bought, right? You should know how much they have bought. So at that time, you can decide whether you should give trade discount or not. Okay, the moment you send goods to them, you can decide whether you should allow them to take trade discount or not. And then when you have sent the goods, you get the money immediately. That does the customers owe you money for this cash sales?
No.
No. Okay, because you get the money on the spot. Good. Okay, so that's the end for cash sales. Only trade discount can be applicable. Okay, because customers don't owe you money after receiving the goods. For credit sales, the moment you have sent goods to them, at that time, you can decide whether to give trade discount or not, because you should have known how much they have bought. Okay, after you have sent the goods, we don't get money immediately because this is selling goods on credit. Then customers would owe you for some time. Okay, maybe you have told your customer that you allow them 2 weeks time. Okay, 2 weeks time to settle the debt. And then you have told your customer, if you settle within 2 weeks time, I give you a second stage of discount. We call it the cash discount. Okay, so cash discount is given when the customer has settled the debt within the time period given. Okay, if the customer settled the debt within the agreed time period, then the customer can get the second stage of discount known as cash discount. So when should you decide you should give cash discount or not? It depends on the point of time at which you receive the money from your customer. If you receive the money within 2 weeks time, then you give them cash discount. If no, forfeited. Okay, no cash discount. So you have understood these two situations, the cash sales and the credit sales. For cash sales, you can only have credit discount. For credit sales, you can have 2 stages of discounts. You get what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, now I'll let you try some questions. Okay, after that, we get back to the notes. You come to page number 44. Come to page number 44. Then you try this question 12. What is your choice? This is simple and straightforward. Very easy question.
A.
Yeah, answer is A. Okay, so must remember, cash discount has nothing to do with cash at all, but it's about the discount that you give if the customers who owe you money settle within the time period given. Okay, and then now we get back to the notes. Okay, let's look at the details of these two types of discounts. Okay, so must remember, for cash sales, you can only have the first stage discount, trade discount. Okay, when customers buy a lot, you give trade discount. And then cash discount can never appear because customers don't owe us money. For credit sales, you can have two stages, trade discount and then followed by cash discount. Okay, coming back to this first half of the same page, look at trade discount. Okay, look at trade discount, the second paragraph. This discount can be given whether customers pay immediately, that means paying on the spot to us, or on credit. Okay, so trade discount can be given as long as customers buy a lot from us. Cash discount, there must be a condition. Customers must owe us money in the first place. That means you must have a credit sales before this discount can appear. That means you must, in the first place, sell goods on credit to customer, then only this cash discount may appear. Okay, now there are two more terms that are used to replace the term cash discount. Okay, write down here. Okay, there are two boxes here. One is known as discount allowed. Another one is known as discount received. Okay, when the question asks you for the two types of discounts, okay, two types of discounts, your answer can only be either trade discount or cash discount or cash discount. Okay, no other answers can be accepted. Okay, when they ask you for the types of discounts, you can only give either one of these two answers, trade discount or cash discount. But when it comes to recording into T accounts, I mean into the T shape, right? Okay, that you have learned. When it comes to recording into the T shapes, you cannot use the term cash discount. You cannot use the term cash discount. Instead, the term cash discount is replaced with discount allowed and discount received. In the T account, you can only use these two terms, discount allowed and discount received. Okay, so which term do you use? Which term do you use in which situation? When we are the, okay, write down. When we are the supplier, we use the term discount allowed. When we are the customer, we use the term discount received. Okay, once you have written, let me know. Done?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now this one more. Okay, good. Now you come to page 36. 36, there are two examples here.
Yeah.
Okay, example one. Ali bought goods on credit from Abu for $30. Price before discount is $40. So very obvious, the trade discount here is $10. Okay, this is simple and straightforward. So on credit means Abu has not paid us. Abu would owe us for some time. 1 month later, Ali paid only 28 to Abu to settle the debt. And why only 28? Why not 30? Reason is Abu think that Ali paid on time. So the cash discount here is, what do you think? How much? How much is the trade discount? Sorry, how much is the cash discount?
$2.
$2. Okay, simple and straightforward. Okay, now example 2. Sally bought goods with cash. With cash means payment is immediate upon receiving goods. Sally would not owe money to Abu for $50. Price before discount is $55. So trade discount is very easy, $5. Okay, 55 minus 5. Sorry, 55 minus 50. Trade discount is $5. Okay, now let's do a few more questions, simple ones before we look at the double entries to learn. Okay, you may come to page number 44. You come to page number 44. Then you try this question 13. Then you tell me your choice. What's your answer?
13A.
Wrong. Answer is C. A says deducted when we receive. Okay, in fact, there's a lack of word behind. Okay, deducted when we receive payment from customer. That's what they meant. So when you use the term discount received, who are we?
Buyer.
We are the customer, correct? We are the customer. Okay, so deducted when we receive payment. So A is wrong because they have stated there receive payment. Okay, so I know that the A sounds very incomplete, right? Okay, because they said when we receive and then nothing is behind. Okay, so some students they chose A because the A is incomplete. Given by us, very always no, because we are customer. When you use the term discount receive, you are the one who is receiving the discount. So given by us is wrong. C, deducted by us when we pay our accounts. Pay our accounts mean we settle the debt that we owe to the supplier. If you receive this discount, you make sure that you deduct it before you make payment to the supplier. Originally, maybe you owe supplier 200. And then if you pay promptly, you receive the discount received, then you can deduct a further maybe $20. Okay, so make sure that you deduct it, the $20, then only you get the amount that you should pay, 180. Okay, so that's question 13. Okay, now question 17. You see the first few terms here, you have the term purchases invoice, but I've not taught you what is purchases invoice. Okay, for now, I interpret this for you. The purchases invoice. Purchases invoice means bought goods on credit. Purchases invoice means bought goods on credit. Okay, write this down, and then you begin to answer this 17. Okay, then you tell me your choice. I give you 1 minute. Okay, time's up. What is your choice? Hello, what's your choice?
Uh, uh, Boy.
Pardon?
Boy.
Not boy. Answer is not boy. Okay. So it's asking you your check will be made out for. It means how much will be written on the check. Okay. How much will be written on the check? So initially you bought goods on credit. Okay. Purchases invoice means you bought goods on credit. 5 items, £50 each. Okay. Less trade discount of 25%, indicating that this $80 is before deducting. This is before deducting the trade discount. When you see the word less trade discount, it means $80 is the original price. And cash discount of 5%, if paid within the credit period, your check will be made out for. That means after is assuming that if you pay within the credit period, that means if you are allowed 2 weeks time, that means you pay within 2 weeks time. That's the meaning. Okay, so you need to assume that you deserve these two discounts. So there are two ways to work this out. You may find the total amount first by taking the 5 times 80, or you do it the other way around. You take 80 times 75% for the first stage discount, then you times a further 95% to get the second stage of discount. Then only you times the five items. You give me another choice.
What?
I think the reason you have made a mistake is you have combined the two percentages together. We cannot do it like that. We have to do it stage by stage.
A.
A, answer is A. Okay, do this calculation, then you times 5, then you get the answer is A. Okay, now get back to the notes. We now learn the double entries involving discounts. Double entries involving discounts. Okay, you come to page number 36. Come to page number 36. Are you on the same page? Are you on the same page? Page 36? 36. Okay. Here you have transaction Q. Sell goods and give trade discount. Okay. So when you sell goods to customers, you can have three possible scenarios. Number one is the Q1, and then number two, Q2 and Q3. Q1 means you receive the cash immediately. So debit cash, credit sales. Q2 means you receive the check immediately on the spot. That means you should debit bank, then you credit sales account. Number three, what should we debit? Can remember? Sell goods on credit, what should you debit?
Purchases.
Wrong.
I mean sales.
Wrong. You look at your notes. You look at your notes. The earlier pages, you sell goods on credit, what do we debit? On page 30.
trade receivable.
Customer's
I
name.
mean,
Yeah,
yeah,
correct.
debit customer's name, credit sales.
Okay, so write down debit customer's name slash trade receivable, then credit sales account. Okay, now I never repeat something for the sake of just repeating it. Okay, there's a reason why I repeated these things here. Okay, this time there is discount. On top here, you see this price $50, trade discount $6, cash discount $7. Okay, list price means original price. That means the origin price of the goods. Okay, so must get you to this term. This price means original price. Now the key one, receive cash. Okay, so list price 50, trade discount 6, cash discount is 7. Okay, so when you sell goods and receive cash on the spot, how much money do you think you can receive? Debit cash account by how much? What do you think?
Oh, wait, what?
Let me repeat the question again. Q1, sell goods and receive cash on the spot. How much do you think you can receive based on the information given in orange there? The one that I've highlighted with orange.
37.
37? No. Sell goods and receive cash means you receive cash on the spot. And you can only give your customers trade discount, not cash discount. Cash discount can only be given when customers settle that on time. Okay, so for the Q1, customers will not owe you money. Customers will not owe you money. So it should be 50 minus 6 only. 44. 44. The same goes to the Q2, 44, 44. Because that's the amount of money that you should receive from your customer. Okay, only applying the trade discount. Only applying the trade discount, $6. Okay, now the third one, on credit. Have you received payment from customer?
Oh, no,
No, yeah, correct, no. Okay, then how much customers owes you after you sold goods on credit to them?
80. Eh, 44.
44, 44. Okay, so after that, customers owe us for some time. And assuming that customers pay promptly, how much would you receive from customer?
37.
Yes, 37. So I've shown you the double entries here. You don't have to write down. So debit cash or bank, depending on what you receive. If you receive cash, you debit cash. If you receive 37 in the form of check, you debit bank with 37. At the same time, credit the customer's name, 37. Okay, for the discount, this is how you should record. You offset the balance in the trade receivable account by 7, then you debit discount allowed account. These are the double entries. Okay, now you see at the top right corner, there's an example there. Sell goods on credit to Ali, right? Sell goods on credit to Ali. Okay, the empty T-shape here, you create an Ali account. Empty T-shape here, you create an Ali account. And then you help me to record these transactions into Ali's account. Okay, I mean the ones that I have boxed up. The ones that I have boxed up, you record them into Ali's account. The ones in pink. You begin. I give you 1 minute time. After you're
Do
done
the
with,
Ali account.
yeah, correct. After you're done with Ali account, you snap a picture and show me. Using the
Sell
information,
goods on credit. Okay.
using the information I have circled with the pink color.
At the picture.
Mm. Okay. So initially, customer owes us 44, right? So you should
Yeah.
debit Ali's account 44, but you have written 37. You should debit Ali's account with 44. That's the original amount owed by Ali to us. 50 minus 6.
Oh.
And then we receive money from Ali after some time. We receive only 37. So you should debit cash dash bank, credit Ali's account 37. But I think you have written 44 there. It should be 37. And then the last amount, $7, you didn't look carefully. We should credit Ali's account $7. So write 7 here, then only you write the detail, discount allowed. You do correction. When you're done, you let me know. Done?
Yeah.
So you can observe in Ali's account, Ali is our customer, right? Plus is on the debit side, minus is on the credit side. Plus is on the debit side, minus is on the credit side, because whenever you record anything on the debit side, it makes Ali owe more to us. The credit side, the other way around. Okay, now, do you agree now that the Ali's account debit side and credit side have the same amount? Do you agree in Ali's account right now, both sides have the same amount?
Yeah.
Yes, 44. That means Ali no longer owes us money. You close it by totaling up them. Okay, close it by totaling up them on both sides. Okay, have the lines drawn, right? 44. You have finished?
Yeah.
Okay, next page. Next page. Buy goods and receive trade discount. Okay, write down buy goods from suppliers. Buy goods from suppliers. So this time we are the customer. This time we are the customer. We bought goods from suppliers. Again, there can be three possible situations. 1, 2, and 3. Pay cash immediately, pay check on the spot, or on credit. Okay, so R1, you tell me what to debit and what to credit for R1.
Debit. Debit purchases.
Then credit what account?
The trade payable.
No, cash.
Oh, cash. Okay.
R1. Pay cash on the spot. So credit cash, debit purchases. Second one, debit purchases, credit bank. Number 3, R3.
Uh, Debit purchases, credit trade payable.
So write supplier's name, credit supplier's name on or trade payables. If no name given, then you credit trade payables. If names are given, we must always use the names. We cannot write trade payables. Okay. Now, similarly, I've given you some number information on top here. List price $80, trade discount 7, cash discount $10. So you must know when to minus each of these discount. So for first two, R1 and R2, you bought goods and you pay immediately for the R1 and R2. So only the $7 discount can be applied. So 80 minus 7, 73. Okay, right, 73. For the third one, when you bought goods on credit, you didn't pay on the spot, but you can get the trade discount at that time. So also write 73 here. From this point onward, you owe supplier $73. Okay, and then after some time, if you pay promptly, you get the $10 cash discount, the second stage of discount. That means you paid only 63. So you see, I've written for you credit cash bank 63, debit the supplier's name 63. About the discount, how should you record? The $10 offset the trade payables, then you credit discount receive $10. Okay, now look at the top right corner. One more example is there. Buy goods on credit from Abu. You create an Abu account with this empty T-shape Abu, and then your job is to record this piece of information into Abu's account. Okay, after that, you snap me a picture. Okay, you begin. Do the Abu's account based on the information I've circled with the red pen, and then you snap me a picture.
And send the image.
Mm. Okay, I've received. Okay, so everything is the other way around. Bought goods on credit. You are the one. Yeah. You should credit Abu's account. Then this one you should debit Abu's account. This one you should debit Abu's account. So just reverse everything. Just reverse everything. 73 here. Right purchases. 63 here. Right cash dash bank. 10 here. Right discount receipt. Okay. And then you total up both sides because you no longer owe Abu money. You no longer owe Abu money because you have settled the debt, and then eventually you get the second stage discount, the $10. When you're done, let me know. This one.
Done.
Done, yeah. Okay. Now